In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your Google account storage efficiently. Let's start by logging into your Gmail account. Open your web browser and navigate to the Gmail login page. Enter your username and password to gain access to your inbox. Once you're in, it's a good idea to check how much storage space you're using across Google services. Head over to the Google One Storage page where you'll see a breakdown of space usage between Gmail, Google Drive, and Google Photos. Now that you're aware of your storage situation, it's time to declutter. A common way to free up space is by targeting large emails. In Gmail, there's a handy search function you can utilize. Start by opening the search bar and type in commands like larger twice 10M to find emails larger than 10 mb. You can also search for emails with attachments by entering has attachment. For an even more thorough search, combine these commands to spot the biggest space hogs. Once you've identified the emails you no longer need, go ahead and delete them. Remember, these emails will move to your trash folder, so make sure to empty the trash too, which will permanently remove them and free up space immediately. Next up, let's look at your social and promotions tabs. These often contain emails that aren't crucial and can amass quickly over time. To tackle this, go into either your promotions or social tab. Select all emails and hit that delete button. Again, don't forget to empty the trash to ensure those deletions are complete. While we're handling clutter, it's a good opportunity to manage newsletters that fill up your inbox. Open a newsletter email and look for the unsubscribe button, typically located at the top right or at the bottom of the message. Unsubscribing here will prevent future newsletters from adding to your email volume. Following those steps, let's search for and remove old emails you probably don't need anymore. Use the search command older than 1Y for emails older than a year or older than 2. For anything more than 2 years old, review these so you can bulk delete unnecessary messages and keep your inbox streamlined. Lastly, clear out unwanted messages by visiting your spam folder. Open it up and click on delete all spam now. Similarly, visit the trash folder and choose empty trash now. By doing this, you'll remove emails that are already marked for deletion. Additionally, make use of Google's cleanup tool, which offers options like the Gmail storage cleaner to help you bulk delete large emails, spam, and outdated messages. By following these steps, you should be well on your way to maintaining an organized and efficient Google account.